Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and disconnect the battery cable. Removal. Remove the two 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the mSATA drive to the system board and allow it to release to the spring tension position. Grasp the mSATA drive by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Place the mSATA drive in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Grasp the mSATA drive by the edges and remove it from the static dissipative bag. Align the notch in the mSATA drive with the key in the mSATA drive slot on the system board. At an angle, gently insert the mSATA drive into its slot on the system board. Press the mSATA drive down and replace the two 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the mSATA drive to the system board.